Good morning. Welcome back to Easy Rider. I'm going for another ride, but I'm done with those external mics. They must be picking up interference from the engine. As bad as that sounds, it works fine like when I walk around the house. Anyway, let's go for a ride. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are posted. Thank you. Okay, here we are. Welcome to Easy Rider. We're going on Sierry Peaks Road today. This is where they're doing some new building, putting new homes in. This place has been here a long time, but whenever the recessions come, they don't sell the land cheap. They just sit on it until they can start selling it at high prices again. So you can never get a deal up here. But it's growing. And there's Thumb Butte right there. It's not as how can I put it, as rural or as wild as it used to be. Because there's a lot more homes here now. Oh, that didn't feel good. I didn't see that bump. But as you can see, there's a lot of homes in here now, but they're building more. When we get up here a little ways, it'll be a little thinner, but that's where they're building the new ones. A lot of the new ones now. There's some new ones down here too, because there's still some empty lot area like that. They're just building over there, and there's that they're prepping to build. See why people want to live here. However, living on this road, on this hill, when we get a heavy snow, and most of the driveways either go up or down to the house, that can be a problem. Wish this camera would stop shaking around. I don't know, maybe I checked for cracks in my cobbled together mount. Find any, and I tightened up all of the screws, but it's shaking around a lot more than it used to. But this is the only way I can get it out to my chin. It's mounted on the side of my helmet, and I got one big curved piece and then a small curved piece, and then a bunch of short pieces that change the direction, and then a ball, a pivot ball at the very top. But it never used to shake around like that. I don't know why it's doing it. Whatever it is, I need to brace it up, but I don't know how. Got to figure something out. comes out on Gale Gardner. Boy, there's a big house, but I don't like that architectural style. Looks like something you'd see in New York. Like in Manhattan, or not where the high rises are, but where they got the individual homes. Looks out of place here in the boulders, to me anyway. There's another one that's like that. All them different flat roofs on there. Or all those different flat roofs. Changed names again. I'm not sure if I'm going the right way or not. Streets have changed names. No, this is a dead end up here. I don't know. No, that's a cul-de-sac there. I think I got to go back to that other. I think it was called Dover or something. That's a lot that they're selling there to build on. You wouldn't think they could build on these, but they do. That's why those ones that I said were so ugly looking looked out of place. Well, this was Downer Trail here. This is West Ridge. I don't know if this is the way out or not, but we'll go on it and find out. But anyway, those are all different levels. And it's because this is all built on a hill. There's one, except for the driveway. You see, you got a steep driveway up there. These are actually, I think, better, and they look better in the natural landscaping. Ones that look more like regular houses. That one's driveway's not too bad. That one starts out okay, then it goes up real steep. There's a trailhead right there on the left. You can hike up in those boulders, and it comes out over there closer to where I live, but not right there. Oh man, another bump I didn't see. Ooh, these bumps are taking a toll on my back. Okay, well now we're out here on Gale Gardner, where you've seen many times, so I'm going to turn this off and we'll pick up someplace else. Thanks for watching.